All right, good day, people. My name is Johan Botha. I'm from South Africa, and I want to share my experience and more details about Crypto Fortune and how this platform can reward you to become financially free without any recruiting, basically, or it's a totally different platform. There is no investment in this platform. It's totally in a class of its own. So I just want to get this out of the way. But let's have a look at what it is. And I'm going to play a couple of videos, and then I'm also going to play another video that explains something that we are all a part of and that we see every time that we're getting involved in a different project, and that you need to be educated about to understand why things are happening. All right, this is not financial advice that I'm giving. I'm purely educating you, teaching you how it works and how this can benefit you. All right, so I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm just sharing my own experience and educating people on how the platforms are working and all about that. And mostly it's about crypto space. So yes, please make sure that you do not invest money, part with your money that you cannot afford to lose, and always be responsible with sharing opportunities and with managing your own funds, right? And let's start this. I'll play a couple of videos, then go into the more details about this, and then there's time left because it's only a 40-minute session. I'll open for questions as well. All right, thank you.
333% daily. To most people, that sounds like a red flag. In the traditional world, you'd be right to be skeptical. But let me be super clear, this isn't a trading company. There are no secret bots, no mysterious CEOs, and definitely no black box investments you have to blindly trust. Crypto Fortune runs as a peer-to-peer DeFi protocol. No middlemen, no funny business. It's all managed by an immutable smart contract. The whole thing is powered by the global community. Here, rewards come strictly from participation, not some magic trading formula. Let's tackle the big question: is this a Ponzi? Here's the difference. Classic Ponzi's have hidden ledgers and secret leaders, but here in Crypto Fortune, the code is public, and code is law. And anyone can check the contract balance live on the blockchain. Total transparency, no secrets. Plus, the protocol is global. That means while you're sleeping, someone on the other side of the world is participating. Liquidity flows in and out constantly, around the clock. This isn't a system that pauses or sleeps. And about that 3.33%, it's not trading profit, it's a programmed reward for each 30-day participation cycle. The math is hard-coded, and nobody, not even the creators, can mess with it. You use your SafePal wallet to interact directly with the smart contract. Each day, like clockwork, your reward is triggered and paid out, automatically. At Team FIB 777, we don't make wild guesses, we just follow the protocol. So, instead of hunting for risky investments, maybe it's time to understand how decentralized technology really works. Now, take a second to read the financial disclaimer on screen. Crypto always carries risk. Never put in more than you can afford to lose, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Kindly get back to the person who sent you this video.
All right, that is basically in a nutshell how Crypto Fortune operates. But now your next question is, where does the money come from? That's the biggest question we get. Where does the money come from? How is it possible to pay all these 50,000 users 3.33% every 24 hours? All right, let me just go back here. We're going to get to the next video, and then I will go to the other one. Where is it now? This is a very short. In a nutshell, it explains basically all the mechanics of this platform, where the money comes from, and how it is generated. There is no external generation of funds from trading or...
Hey family, today I want to break down the real engine behind Crypto Fortune and answer the big question, how is the money actually generated? It's all about supply and demand. As long as people want to double their funds in 30 days, there will always be a need for participation. That's the core demand. Super simple, right? Now, let's talk about the supply. The supply isn't coming from some secret vault or a shady CEO. It's created by the community, for the community. Crypto Fortune runs on a P2P DeFi protocol. No company, no owner, no one pulling the strings behind the curtain. And this is what makes it different from a Ponzi or a traditional bank. Ponzis have a boss who can just disappear with everyone's money. Banks. They use your money and pocket the profits. But here, a smart contract handles everything. Funds go directly between users. No middleman, no funny business. It's 100% decentralized, and the smart contract is unchangeable. That means every transaction is peer-to-peer and all the value stays right inside the community. But remember, this isn't magic. You're not promised ROI from thin air. The rewards come from real participation. The community provides the supply, the smart contract manages it, and active members benefit. Want to see for yourself? Check the description, get involved, and I'll see you on the inside.
Right, that's basically how this money is generated from the community itself. So hopefully that will answer a lot of questions and put a lot of doubts into place and answer a lot of uncertainties. There is no trading in Crypto Fortune. The name Crypto Fortune is because they are using crypto as a payment method. And you can create a fortune from this smart contract protocol, right? It is not a company that doesn't have an owner as well. It is not registered. I'm going to start with the answers to the questions we get always. This is not a trading company, a financial investment company. It is not registered. It doesn't have an owner. It doesn't manage the funds or keep the funds. No single entity is keeping the funds of all the users in this smart contract. It's managed by the smart contract alone. No single human person or being is in control of the funds. And nobody can make any changes to the smart contract codes. All right, so there's no backdoors. Nothing can be changed. Everything that is happening is already coded in the system. But let's have a look at more details, what it is actually, and then we'll look at it, why not. Crypto Fortune is not just another earning platform, but it's a self-running ecosystem for crypto-based financial growth, right? You don't have to be have any knowledge of cryptocurrencies or financial expert to become part of this protocol or to participate in this protocol. That's the key word. We do not invest here, we participate in this protocol. The platform is community-driven solution, offering a global earning opportunity for everyone that is involved here. Right, that must be understood clearly. Right, then the mission is to empower individuals worldwide to explore the future of blockchain income with trust, transparency, and technology. In Crypto Fortune, we do not trust people. This is where the main difference is between traditional platforms or investing companies and Crypto Fortune. Or let me put it that decentralized, truly decentralized platforms like Crypto Fortune. It is 100% decentralized, meaning there is no third party involved. And that is the biggest thing that you have to ask yourself always. Who is controlling the money? In the case of Crypto Fortune, it is the smart contract only. You only make your deposit, you participate by making your deposit, and from there on, the smart contract manages everything concerning the funds and the finances. Right? And you decide if you want to reinvest or when you want to withdraw. You decide that. Right? There's full trust in the smart contract because you do not have to trust. The other word they also call it is trustless. It's a trustless ecosystem. You don't have to put your trust like you trust human beings. It will operate as long as the internet exists on planet Earth. Then it will operate. That's the only thing you need: an internet connection and a smart device and a Web3 wallet to be part of Crypto Fortune. All right. And as long as that is in place, this platform will carry on work and operate until that time. Right. There's full transparency. Everything is visible and nothing is hidden here. So you will also see that, and I will talk about that as well a little bit later. And then technology. We're using the latest technology. We're not using a website based. It's not website based. People are still not understanding that there's a difference between a website and a blockchain or smart contract. Right. So we aim to create a simple and rewarding digital earning platform. At first, it might look overwhelming for you, but it's actually very, very simple. And it's very rewarding, right? You just need to follow the basic steps or principles, and then you will start to understand it. Many of us, we didn't know anything about this in the beginning, but as you progress and you learn, that is how you start to understand everything much better. Right, so the vision is to become a global leader in blockchain-based earning systems by promoting financial freedom and digital empowerment. Now, just by there is 9 people on this, or 8 people on this call right now. Let me just see if you can raise your hands if you want to double your funds in 30 days. Just raise your hand if you know where that is. On the icon, there's thank you, Andries. Or just give a thumbs up or anything, or make any reaction. All right. Either the other people are not listening or they do not know where the action button. All right. Let's carry on. Right, so the answer to that question is everybody wants, nobody says no to doubling your funds in 30 days. Right, once again, welcome to those people that join now. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just educating the people about Crypto Fortune and how it does operate. So we are using the Binance Smart Chain as a payment method on the blockchain. And everybody knows about Binance. It's the biggest cryptocurrency exchange worldwide. Although we are getting paid in USDT, we are not getting paid in a crypto coin that fluctuates like Bitcoin or Ethereum the whole time, or BNB actually. USDT is pegged to the United States dollar, and it's a stable coin with stable value as well. Right, it's got low transaction fees, it's fast transactions, it takes about 3 seconds, sometimes much faster than that. All right, it's easy to use and it's compatible on the Ethereum network. And once again, you don't have to be a crypto expert or have much knowledge about it to become part of Crypto Fortune. And the Binance ecosystem is the largest one worldwide, and it's trusted by millions of people already. Right, it's a very secure and a reliable network as well. It's very, very popular. So why do you want to become part of Crypto Fortune? Crypto Fortune is 100% smart contract automation. It is not managed by any person or support group or management group sitting in an office somewhere in the world and pressing buttons. The smart contract is managing everything on your behalf. It's 100% transparent, and as we've seen, this transparency is the key in any platform concerning finances. Right, it's also 100% verified and it's decentralized. The other thing is that Crypto Fortune, the ownership has been renounced of the smart contract. No one can get into the back door and make any changes to this. The code is set in stone and no one can change it forever until the last day that the internet exists. The smart contract will carry on operating exactly like that. Right, there's no admin controller. There's no support that you can call or send an email to or ask questions. The community is the support. If you become participate in this platform, you become part of the community, you become part of the support structure as well. The members are the support. We own this platform. Right, there is no owners. The ownership has been renounced. It's been given away. The owners or the developers have taken the key, they've locked the smart contract, they threw it away. No one can go and fetch it and open the door again to make changes or fix anything. Right, so but the smart contract is operating flawlessly. That is not any issue there. Right, it will carry on operating like that until the last day that internet exists on planet Earth. This is a cutting-edge decentralized platform built on the Binance Smart Chain, or also called the BEP20 network. Right, take note, there is many different networks for USDT stablecoin, and we are using the Binance Smart Chain, the BSC, USDT BSC, or also called BEP20 network. Right, and many wallets, they call it, not all of them call it the same, but make sure it's Binance coin or BEP20 or Binance Smart Chain, they're all the same. Right, our mission is to empower individuals across the world to generate secure, automated income through blockchain technology. Right, we're already in over 75 countries. Today is day 51 or 50 actually. This smart contract was deployed on the 5th of January. The ownership or the official start was on the 6th of January when the ownership was renounced as well. And we will go to that transaction to prove it to you. Right, so this is a global platform. All you need is a Web3 wallet, internet connection, and a referral link to start your journey in Crypto Fortune. Right, it makes it borderless. You need internet connection. All right, so what is a smart contract? That's a self-executing digital agreement encoded in code operating on the blockchain technology. All right, so you don't have to understand everything about this, but know that smart contracts is totally different. It's like a robot. It doesn't have any emotions. It doesn't know who it's paying. It will just operate according to the code that it was coded with and given those codes. So nothing can stop it. Nobody can change it. The ownership has been renounced. The owner or the developer of this smart contract cannot come back and fix anything if there is anything wrong. Right? They have tested this thoroughly before they have launched it, before they have renounced the ownership. So yes, this is where you put your trust in the smart contract, not in any human person, because we know and understand from experience what happens. No one can be trusted. You cannot trust yourself even most of the time. Right, but the smart contract, as long as the internet exists, will operate flawlessly. That you need to understand. So how is the money generated again? Apart from the video that I played to you, this is just a breakdown of the money. Like in anything in life, in any sector or industry, there's an inflow and there's an outflow of things. Like in the business, there's an inflow of cash, there's an outflow of expenses, labor, and inventory that needs to be paid. That creates the whole cycle again, and that just cycles over and over again. The money gets rotated within that business. In the ecology, in the hydrological system, the water is rotated in different forms the whole time throughout the day. The same within retail, in shops. New products are being stocked on the shelves. The clients come in and they buy the stocks. The shelves can get emptied. Then the shelves get stocked up again, and then the same process happens all over again. So it's a process of stock rotation. Right, yeah, it's cash conversion cycle, where the cash is rotated. There it's water that's getting rotated. Now in crypto tokenomics, we also call it staking. When you participate in Crypto Fortune, you stake your deposit for 30 days in a smart contract. Every deposit, if it's an investment or a reinvestment, it gets staked or locked in the smart contract for 30 days. And after 30 days, it gets released. Right, so that is the inflow of members participating in this platform. They are staking, they are depositing. Please note, it's not investing. We do not invest. They call it ROI for the general public to understand it, but it's not a return on investment. It's you're getting rewarded for your participation. You can also call it rewards on investment, actually. Right, so it's not a return on investment. Please understand that very, very clearly. People or users are participating in the smart contract by depositing, and they stake their funds for 30 days in the smart contract. No one has got access to that funds. There's no backdoors that anybody can reroute that money. No one can steal that money. Right, that has been checked thoroughly. I will also prove that to you. And then there's an outflow as the money rotates. The 3.33% gets paid out to users each and every day, and almost by the minute, depending on what time you started your deposit. Right, and then the members are reinvesting as well. So the same cycle happens over and over again. And this is exactly how the funds are generated. There is no external trading or generation of funds to support this protocol. Right? And for many people, they do not understand it. It's actually a very straightforward concept and principle. But when we look at the numbers, it's just staggering and mind-blowing because we're not used to something like this. But it's totally different. It's out of the traditional way of what we know about finances. Right, so how do you get started in Crypto Fortune? You decide now you want to participate here. You download a Web3 wallet, any Web3 wallet, but we do suggest to use SafePal wallet, which is the most user-friendly. Please do not use Trust Wallet, and we will look at that in a moment. Right, after that, you set up your wallet, you add USDT BEP20, the amount that you want to participate with, and you will need some gas fees, transaction fees for your transactions. Add at least a dollar or two of BNB on the Binance Smart Chain network BEP20, also in that same wallet. Right, then you register with the link that the person who invited you, and you deposit your funds and you enjoy your rewards in the future. So yes, and then you decide if you want to reinvest and restake your funds for another 30 days. Also, when you do reinvest, the minimum is $5. You decide if you want to withdraw that or if you want to reinvest it and restake it for another 30 days. So here you can see the supported wallets is MetaMask, TokenPocket, and SafePal. But we only suggest people on our team to use SafePal. Many other people are using TokenPocket and MetaMask, but personally, SafePal is much easier. Right, it's your own prerogative what you want to use, what you are comfortable with. Please do not use Trust Wallet. Even if you have Trust Wallet, use Trust Wallet for many years. There is some issues with Trust Wallet, not on the side of Crypto Fortune, but in Trust Wallet itself. That it does not connect with these some DeFi platforms. Right now, this is an anti-whale mechanism to protect you and me, our friends, and protect the funds from people that wants to manipulate the market as they are manipulating the crypto market. We also call them whales. It's people with huge amounts of money, and they just want to dominate and manipulate the market wherever they can. So to prevent that, your first 30 days, any position that registers can only deposit up to $500 between 10 and $500. $10 is the minimum, but $10 is just going to double in 30 days. Right? You will not receive any referral bonus. You start with $10. You will just double your fund. Basically, you will receive 3.33% every day for a period of 30 days. You're going to wait a long time until you're going to get to $5 to start reinvesting. So we do suggest members start at least with $20 because then you will be able to receive referral commission if you refer other people. Also take note, it is not compulsory to refer any person to or to recruit any people to Crypto Fortune. But I always tell people, if it's such a good opportunity, why do you want to keep quiet about it? The world is in such turmoil and struggling. This is a perfect opportunity for many people to become financially free. And you can start from as low as $20, $10, $20. If you don't have it, start with what you have. Please don't sell your home, your car, or your livelihood to to deposit in or to participate in Crypto Fortune. And please be responsible with your funds. Right, so after this 30 days, it will be locked. After the 30 days, it will be released by the smart contract back to you. You will get a notification. You will see it. You have to physically log into your wallet to decide if you want to reinvest or withdraw funds. Right, so then you decide you want to carry on for another 30 days. It opens up your second cycle, and now the limit is increased to $2,000 that you can deposit from externally, from outside. From inside the platform, you can reinvest up to above $500, but from external funds, you can only deposit $500. In your second cycle, you can deposit up to $2,000 externally. Right, let's say you're already in cycle 1 and you finished on $1,000. Now you can just add another $1,000 from external funds. But from inside the platform, you can use it by means of reinvestment. You can increase it above $2,000. And after your second cycle is finished, your 30 days, basically your 60 days is finished, this funds will also be released, your principal amount that you have started. And it will open up your third cycle where you can deposit up to $5,000. Right. The same applies. You will complete your principal, will be returned after your 30 days. You decide if you want to reinvest it or if you want to withdraw that funds. All right. So I see we only have 9 minutes left. This is basically the end of the presentation. Then there is the compensation plan for those that wants to refer. You will receive 20 levels deep. If you have a 200 self-deposit, then you are qualified, and you have 5 directs that has deposited $50 each. There is also rank qualifications that you can qualify for. And then there is what they call it, Thailand trip promotion that you will find on the groups. Okay, now the important thing is the minimum withdrawal is $5. The minimum reinvestment is $5. Every withdrawal is a 5% deduction. Right, so every cycle runs for 30 days and 30 days only. Reinvestment, you can reinvest your bonuses as well as your ROI, your daily ROI, as long as it reaches $5. Right, now your principal is returned after 30 days and you are eligible for that, subject to the rules. Right, now, this is a community participation platform. Right. First, I want to thank you for that. This is the official presentation. But I want to take you to, where was that one? I'll play you this video to understand the crypto market and how people are creating fear and doubt and what that causes. Because if you do not have the knowledge about it, you will believe everything. Today, any person can put anything on YouTube, and nobody goes and sits there and dissects and check everything is factually correct. And many people, they believe strange things very quickly. So let's have a look at this. And we've got 7 minutes left. This might end because it's only 7 minutes 50 seconds. Thank you very much for your time. Please reach out to the person that invited you. All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
School, how all the popular girls would get together and make up lies about the less popular girl over in the corner to make them feel better about themselves? Well, this is kind of what FUD is in the crypto industry. And who knew that both middle school girls and the crypto news industry would have something in common? Welcome to Whiteboard Crypto, the #1 YouTube channel for crypto education, and here we explain topics of the cryptocurrency world using analogies, stories, and examples so that people like you can easily understand them. In this video, we're going to explain what the FUD is, a little trick that you can use to navigate the wild, wild west of crypto drama to know which sources are true, and even a way to profit from it. Let's dig in. FUD is an acronym for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And if you couldn't guess by the name, it is used mainly in crypto news and even the stock market to emotionally manipulate people into selling their crypto holdings. You've probably seen hundreds of headlines that Bitcoin's a bubble or the government is banning crypto sales. These types of headlines are what we call FUD. While there may be a little bit of truth behind them, they are usually spun to try to strike on the worst case possible. Let's take a headline that I saw the other day. It mentioned that the UK was banning trade on Binance. And while that is fine, and there is maybe some truth to it, the article started talking about this move being the downfall of crypto and how you should have all of your money in fiat currencies. Now yes, some currencies are cracking down on Binance, and this is a whole nother video, but it is not logical to abstract that fear from one coin to an entire industry. It is not a reason to sell all of your crypto. Let me explain. You should base your selling position on what you believe the market is doing and how much you believe in a project itself, not off of headlines. Headlines are good sources of information, but writers are usually incentivized to write clickbaity titles that churn readers. We've found time and time again that emotional headlines get more clicks than boring ones. So it would make sense why this is happening. Because now that I've gotten that rant over with, what should you believe in when it comes to news and crypto? Well, the best answer I can give you is to do your own research. One place I love to look is Reddit, because no matter what a thread is saying, you'll have tons of people's input, and then you can then decide what to do moving forward. Now, Reddit is biased too, so diversify your input options. You can check the project's Discord, or maybe they have a Telegram group. Of course, these may be biased as well, but hopefully you'll get more technical information about how a project actually solves a problem. Another thing you can take a look at is all the signs of something called a rug pull, which we've created an entire video on. You can check out that highly valuable resource in the description below. Finally, if you really need to, take out a piece of paper and write down what's fact and what's feeling. I actually run a psychology channel and commonly give this piece of advice to guys and girls who are in relationships and aren't sure what to do. Facts would be like, Tesla bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. And Bitcoin has been increasing since 2009 with a few ups and downs. And even, there's a halvening soon. Examples of feelings, on the other hand, are like, the news around Bitcoin seems really negative lately. And I've lost $400 already, I'm afraid I'm gonna lose more. And even, everyone around me is selling, I'm getting worried. Deciphering your emotions from the truth really helps in finding what to believe and in what to invest. Now we hope that this little trick is far beyond what our competitors have to offer. And if you thought it was helpful, consider subscribing. We aim to create high quality, unique content that blows our competitors out of the water. And a subscription to this channel will benefit you because you'll get to see future videos, and it'll benefit us by rewarding our hard work. Next up, something I never thought I would talk about. How can you profit off of FUD? Now this is a section I wasn't sure I wanted to put in because it almost sounds like I'm encouraging FUD, but we would be doing you a disservice by not letting you guys know each advantage in the market. First off, shorting. If you sense that FUD is happening within a certain crypto coin or token, you can always short it and earn a profit if the price would go down. Now, like we've said in many videos, we are not financial advisors, but we want to open you guys up to new ideas and possibilities. If you've never shorted a stock or a token before, I would definitely do more research before tossing any of your money into it, or at least watch our video on the Fulcrum Protocol. The Fulcrum Protocol is a crypto protocol that allows you to short things. Option number 2 is that you can just buy when it is low, because another way to benefit from FUD is to buy when the market is low. For example, when Tesla said they were accepting Bitcoin, the price went up. And then when they actually bought $1.5 billion of Bitcoin, the price also went up. However, when they said they were no longer accepting it, the price went from around $49,000 to $35,000. And this presented a unique opportunity to Bitcoin believers around the world to buy a bunch of coins that FUDsters sold. Now this is an obvious example of FUD because the reasoning was due to environmental impacts. And I can guarantee you, when they bought $1.5 billion of Bitcoin in the first place, they knew exactly what they were getting into. You don't make a play like that without at least hiring 10 experts and consulting with your HR department. Also, they didn't immediately sell their Bitcoin. They just said they weren't accepting it. And then we can even get into when Elon was promoting Dogecoin. This caused the price to go up, and it's kind of the opposite of FUD. It's called FOMO, or fear of missing out. Leave a like on this video, and we'll create a specific video about FOMO and how you can use it to benefit your crypto portfolio. Anyways, when the price dropped from 49,000 to 35,000, it resulted in a huge opportunity for people who believe that someday Bitcoin will hit 100,000 or even 500,000. Moving on, I want to talk about Warren Buffett. Because you could even say that Warren Buffett himself is a fudster, saying that he'll never buy Bitcoin or any crypto because it's not an income-producing asset. At least he has a decent reason, but his words have influence, and just one statement like that can make a lot of people change their minds. Now, this is a part of the video where I remind you that there are people on the other side too. We know there are people out there who say things like, Bitcoin's going to be worth $1 million next year, and Ethereum's going to replace the internet. These people should sound just as crazy to you, as they are delusional on the other side of the spectrum. This video is a reminder to keep your wits about you, perform in-depth research whenever you invest your money, and only invest what you're willing to use. Yada yada yada, you know, the usual financial advice. But as a personal example, this channel has around $16,000 of my own personal money in it, with no return yet. And I'm fine losing that, but at least if I do, our team has produced a large number of very high quality videos for future generations, and so far they're definitely helping a lot of people out. But I've done the math, and this channel is growing. I'm fairly certain that I'll get a decent return over the next couple years, at least unless YouTube wipes out crypto channels. Please don't do that, YouTube. Finishing up, the biggest principle we want you to know is not to believe everything you see online. Unfortunately, we cannot be as naive as we once were. Do your own research before deciding to sell whatever assets you own, and use your best judgment from as many sources as you can possibly find. Maybe even
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That is